Now let's go ahead and show you how to calculate your sales velocity, which is the speed at which you're selling during a given period of time. Here's the equation. You take the number of opportunities, multiply it by the close rate, multiply it by the average deal size, divided by your sales cycle. Now, let's go ahead and plug in some numbers to kind of give you a feel for how you can actually run your own calculations. Let's say right now you have 10 deals in your pipeline, 10 potential prospects in your pipeline. You then multiply that by your close rate. And let's say that your close rate is 40%. That means on average, every time you work with 10 different customers, you'll probably close 4. That would give you 40%. We'll express that as a decimal, 0.4 for 40%. You then multiply that by your average deal size. Now, on average, when you sell something, what's the average value? Let's keep it simple and say that's $1,000. And you're measuring your sales velocity over a period of time, in this case, 1 month. In other words, it takes you about a month to close a deal. Let's calculate the numbers. If we take 10 times 0.4 times 1,000, we'll get $4,000. And since we're divided by 1 month, your sales cycle, basically you're selling at $4,000 a month. That is your sales velocity. Now, you could, instead of using monthly, you can use, let's say, a quarterly measurement. In other words, measure every 3 months. You can measure it biannual, measure it every 6 months, or annual, which is every 12 months. Now, the advantage of measuring it monthly is that if you have to make any necessary adjustments to your system or process, you can do so. For example, if you notice that your close rate is going down right here, then you can make the necessary adjustments. If you notice that your average deal sizes are going down, guess what? You can maybe talk about why we're giving away too many discounts and then make the necessary adjustments. So again, you can use monthly, quarterly, biannual, or annual to measure your sales velocity. I recommend doing it monthly so you can make the necessary adjustments.